Welcome back to the Humble Market Timer YouTube channel. Once again, if you enjoy the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I want to talk about the next Trump pump. Is this administration planning to pump drones next? Before I go any further, check the description of my disclaimer. These are my sole ideas, not investment advice. Now, there has been one unique thing that this administration has done, and I think whether you like Trump or don't like Trump, one of the positive things I think you can take from his administration is that he has said that he wanted to invest in the U.S. and their major companies. And in doing so, if you really want to invest in the companies that you say you want to promote and support, you need to actually do it and put some teeth in it. When I say teeth, that means big money. And what he has done is he has actually put his money where his mouth is, and he is actually taking equity stake in several major companies in the U.S. in order to help push them further and in turn help build up the economy in the U.S. Now, this all mostly started back in 2025. One of the first companies he took a big stake in was Intel. And as you see here, the government took a 10% stake in Intel. And initially people were like, I don't know, Intel seems like it's kind of dead. But if you look at the results, look at what Intel has done in the past year. I mean, look, just parabolic action. Not only has the government getting behind Intel has not only benefited the stock price, but at some point, because the U.S. has equity stake in Intel, it will be able to sell those shares, and it has actually made money for the country. So once again, a very shrewd move by the Trump administration. I don't think any of the other presidents thought to do this, but I think, as I said before, whether you like Trump or don't like Trump, I think this was a wise move on his part. So he first invested and said he wanted to put resources into Intel and the microchip sector. He also said that he wanted to take stakes in our rare earths. He felt that we've been too far reliant on China as far as rare earths, and he's invested in several rare earth companies, USA Rare Earth, MP Materials. So he's invested in several companies that's in the rare earth space. He also has Lithium Americas in lithium. He's invested in that. So he's also invested in those rare earth and those key critical minerals. And then recently, he has said that he was going to invest in quantum stocks. So he has said he plans to put $2 billion in funding to get equity stakes in several quantum stocks. The biggest beneficiary was IBM. They got about $1 billion. So he has said that he's going to also get equity stakes and really pump quantum stocks. So we've gone from Intel and microchip stocks to rare earths. Now he's talking about pumping quantum. And so what is the newest thing? The newest thing is now he's looking to fund U.S. drone companies. Neros is one of the drone companies. And then you have the maybe a little questionable unusual machines, and because his son, Donald Trump Jr., is one on the board of advisors. But those are two of the companies that are being linked to being in talks with the Trump administration to get funding for their drone companies. So that looks like it may be the next thing that the administration wants to push. Typically, as the news comes out about the involvement with the administration taking equity stakes in these sectors, Oftentimes these sectors get massive pushes, and so you can expect there to be money funneling in to the drone space as more details of talks of the Trump administration getting equity stakes in drone companies becomes more of a reality. So keep an eye on drones as being the next pump. You don't know what the next thing will be, but it's clear that the Trump administration is very intent on funding and getting many sectors and many companies in the U.S., putting them in the best position to be successful, not only for the company's sake, but for the country's sake. Hope you like the content. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.